Tropicana. This is a beautiful poster I'm going to create right now. The size is this 906 by 1280. I'm not the original designer, I'm only redesigning it using Pixellab. Okay, so I'm going to go over here and get a white screen. Then I'm going to bring this guy. This is going to be the main background. All right, so stretch it out to cover this whole place. All right, I'll try to bring it down like this. Yeah. All right, then I'm going to bring in some other elements like this guy here. All right, so I already downloaded the font. All right, so that it's exact. Okay, there's no need to go and design it. All right, this is it. Okay, it's looking very plain, but don't worry, we are on it. The next thing I want to bring here is this guy here, the parrot. All right, then we'll bring in this guy. This guy is going to be here. Alright, it's going to be there. Let's rotate it like this. Let's increase it a little. Let's bring it here. Alright, so there's another tree here. So let's see this one. This one is going to be here. So let's do it like this. Alright. Reduce it. And bring it here. Let's rotate it like this. Let's bring it here. Still rotate it. No. Still bring it here. Let it sit inside the A small. Right. Then we can just touch it a little. Let's just touch it a little like this. Alright. Then the next thing I want to do is to bring in this guy here, this one. Now what are we going to do with this? I'm going to bring it what we're going to use here is basically this part. So let's come over here, eraser. Let's increase this. So let's take these ones out. It's not needed, so this is what we're going to leave. So this part here, let's put it here. Right, let's drag it, make it bigger. If it's too big, it will look somehow, so let's bring it here. And bring it here. Right. Copy this, bring it here. Don't worry, we'll cover it. Alright, then bring this guy to the front. Alright, so let's bring in our objects. It's looking too sharp and big, so let's reduce this first. It's going to be from here down to this place. Okay, right. Let's go to here and then we'll reduce the darkness. copy this guy and we'll rotate it to the other side here. Okay, this time around, let's bring this here. Let's rotate it. Bring it here like this. Okay. Alright, then this parrot here, let's bring it to the front. Alright, then let's bring in this guy too. It's gonna be just very close by here. And let's lock these two first. Then let's bring this one to the front. But we're going to do it like this. Okay. Right. Okay. Now we're almost there. Then the next thing we want to do is, okay, let's increase this. Bring it here. Bring it here. So this orange is going to come here now. This orange is going to come here now. Alright, so let's bring in some shadows. Then this guy is going to come here. So let's go over here. This guy is going to come here. We have to work on it, probably darken it, and if it doesn't work, let's go to opacity. Okay, let's check here again. Bring this guy here. Let's reduce it. Yeah. Right, so we'll reduce this. Put it there. Alright, so let's bring in this guy sticker. We'll lock it. Here. Okay, we unlock it and then we'll change the color to black. Alright, so now let's try to, first and foremost, let's try to bring it towards this part here where we have the shadow. maybe what we need to do is to reduce this, so push it like this. Right, can still reduce this. Right, let's move it inside a little. Right, okay, we'll do the same for this guy here, but this time move it to the down. So let's select this or this, let's move it. So this is what we have. Then the next thing I want to do is, this already looking too big in my eye, so I'm going to reduce it. Okay. Right. I'm seeing here 100% pure. Squeezed sunshine. Alright, so I'll just cut this out. So right here I'm going to use the vertical color. I'm going to change it to white. It's looking big, so I'm putting it here. Alright, I'm reducing it a little. I'll put it at the middle. No, let's bring it down a little. Right, I'm moving this here, moving this here too, moving this there. Right, so I have this 100% blah blah blah. It's looking like a long phone, so let's try B-bounce. No. Alright, so let's put the other one there. Reduce it and put it there. Copy this and put this one here. So here we have www.tropicana.com. So, but we're going to change the font to be something a little bit light, like this, okay? Alright. Okay, so the next thing we want to do is to add some effects to the whole design. Alright, so let's add some effect to the design. To do that, we'll take this whole thing to an external app where we'll get it done. Alright, so the first thing we want to do is to save it, okay? So let's save and head over to an external app. So the first app we're going to go now is Pixellab. Right here on Pixellab, I'm going to click on the plus button and I'll import the design that we have just saved, which is this guy here. Now, after that, I'm going to go over to where we have add photos. I will click on it and I'll add let's try this if we can use it. A lens flare. Then we can go to blend, click on screen. Alright, of course we can use it. Are you seeing that now? It's not perfect, so let's try to adjust it. Alright, so let's move over here, increase it. Alright, increase it, if you notice that it is changing the design already. Are you seeing it now? I wanted us to adjust it. So let's go to adjust. So click here. Can I adjust it like this? Are you seeing that now? So let me just adjust it a little. Okay, just a little, right? Or if we don't want to use that one, we can also get something else. So let me get something else. Let's click on, not this. Let's click on add photos. Let's go to downloads. Let's look for the previous one that I used, this one. Alright, so let's go. Click on blend. Click on screen. Alright, this is it, right? So we can just come here and put it here. Now from the original design, you can see that. Just notice the area where there is so much light. Now the light is looking more of orange. So let's go to saturation. Increase this a little. Can reduce this, but let's increase it a little. Okay. Then we can now adjust it. So I'm putting it towards this part here. See it here towards this part here, but this time I can increase opacity. Alright, I can increase it small, but I'll reduce the size. Alright, I can increase opacity, reduce the size. Okay, this part here. So let's also come here. Let's also come to this area here. Alright, let's duplicate and bring it here. I want the color. I want the color to change. That one's not gonna work. So let's convert to opacity. Let's bring it here. Okay. So we've been able to get it to this extent. Okay, so let's go. Alright, so we are done. Alright, but it's not still perfect. So I'm going to save it first. Right, I'm going to go to Snapseed. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. So I'm going to Snapseed and I'm going to do some little editing. So it's opening. So right here on Snapseed, what I'm going to do is I'm click on pop. Alright, then I'm gonna go to detail and I will increase it a little like this. It's too much. Alright. Okay. So I'll go to this guy here, I'll go to saturation and I'll increase it a little. Alright, so with that, I think we are good to go. My name is Niamuda, and I'm gonna see you in the next tutorial. Don't forget to like this video, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more tutorials like this.